Okay guys, first tip of the day. Easy one, and it's all about mobile phones and SIM cards. Again, I've seen questions and answers on Facebook groups, and they're not just talking from experience, they're just talking from something they've Googled. Lots of them are just trying to be helpful, but half the time they're talking rubbish. Okay, I've done them all. I've had my own SIM card here, I've had my Mexican SIM card, I've had Esims, and that is what I use now, eSIM. So with the Mexican SIM card, you buy them from Oxo. It's a bit of a nightmare to get them working, to be honest. And then you have a limited minutes and limited amount of maybe 3 gig of data, which for me it will be gone in a day, and then you've got to keep on topping up. So how it is, and it's time to move on. And if you got a iPhone or a Samsung, the latest Samsungs from the S20 upwards, an eSIM will be compatible. So before I talk about it, you need to check that your phone is compatible with eSIM. So what's an eSIM? It's an electronic SIM. It's not a virtual thing. It's something that's downloaded, and you scan a QR code onto your phone, and it gets you going. It gives you all instructions how to set it up. How it is for me, I use what's it called? Whole Fly. And for me, there is lots out there, but for me, it's the one that's suitable. I pay £87 for 90 days, which is less than £1 a day. I don't pay for phone calls because I use WhatsApp, and you have unlimited data. So all the time it's unlimited data, and with unlimited data you can then connect to WhatsApp to make phone calls and send messages. But for me, I pay less than £1 a day, and there's no charge when I get home on my phone, because you know it's like you get roaming charges and they go through the roof, and if you use your phone you get charged for that. And I know from Canada, you have to pay daily or weekly to use your phone here. You will not have to use your phone at all. Times have changed. Buying a Mexican SIM card, don't even go there, it's not worth it. Use the eSIM. You can't use the eSIM, the one I use, to make calls, but that's what I use WhatsApp for. So my calls are free, there's nothing extra, I have unlimited data, and it's fast. So that is my first tip. Have a look at eSIMs, Google it, find the ones that suit you. If you're here for 3 or 4 days or 5 days, there are probably cheaper versions or something more suitable. But for me here, long term, Whole Fly is the ones I use. Right. Be more tips later. We'll talk about buses, we'll talk about drones, and various other things as we go along.